Good morning, happy Monday. I just got back from a little 3-day family vacation in Sun River. I ate absolutely everything in sight. I feel so bloated. My apartment's a disaster. I haven't uploaded a long form YouTube video in forever. So here we are. Let's get our shit together today. I literally think you can see in the background how dirty my apartment is. There's milk on the counter from this morning. Ugh. I had so much fun in Sun River these last couple days with my family, but guys, I ate so much food, so much junk, but I kind of just let myself do it, right? We had pizza, burgers, ice cream, just a lot of like snacky stuff throughout the house that I don't normally keep in the house. So I was enjoying myself. I was having a good time. And I got home yesterday, but I had McDonald's for dinner because I'm not cooking the day I get back from vacation. So my body just feels like really gross and bloated today. My weight was up like 3 to 4 pounds, but that was so expected. So today I'm getting back on track. But getting on track does not mean restricting, doing a crazy amount of cardio, doing some kind of fast or a juice cleanse. I'm not trying to immediately lose the 3 pounds I just gained. I'm literally just going back to my normal routine. And this is why having a routine and these good healthy habits lined up, so it's just easy to get back into. So it's not like these few days of overeating is gonna turn into weeks and months of that. I'm just getting back to what I normally do. And I'm starting with drinking water. My plan today is just to really listen to my hunger cues and listen to my body because that's not what I was doing these last couple days. These are the electrolytes I'm currently on right now, the Kiwi Strawberry by Ghost. It's a good thing I have the cutest, chunkiest dog in the world. Ugh, with a belly and all of this extra floof right here. Be starving. Cannot forget the turkey and yams. That's really good for you. That's it. Okay. Good girl. Alani Nu sent me this package. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be the best flavor in the world. Ah, it is. Scott. Wait. Oh, it's 2 flavors? Oh, shit. Love Witch's Brew. Is this new? Ruby Apple? That sounds amazing. And then there's like this little mixer thing that I've been seeing online too. I need these in the fridge now. Oh, I'm so excited. This one's going in the freezer because I will want this at the gym today. You stay there. Don't worry, I picked up the kitchen, I did the dishes, and made my first meal of the day here, a little breakfast. I got 2 eggs, a piece of toast, and then 2 of the Trader Joe's chicken breakfast sausages. This is my first time trying them, and they're actually really, really good. And I'm like picky about sausages, so I enjoy these a lot. I'd probably buy them again. Like I said, I was waiting until I was actually hungry to eat. It's about 11:30 right now, so kind of a late breakfast, but this is gonna get me nice and fueled up for the gym. I am so excited to work out today. Okay, let's put on some makeup and get ready for the gym. This feels so weird to like sit down and put on makeup and talk to the camera because I really have not done this in months. I haven't really like uploaded long form content in a minute here. I've kind of just been getting like way too in my head about content, especially since I've kind of switched a little bit between doing like mainly beauty to now some fitness, lifestyle, and just trying to figure out what the fuck I'm doing, honestly. Imposter syndrome is so real, and it's like I just question every single thing I want to do or post. So that's why I'm kind of like, okay, let me just like sit down and do a vlog today and just talk. I feel like I've had to become a lot more like honest with myself, and the truth is that I don't love makeup the same way that I used to when I started this YouTube channel and how I did for the last 10 years of making videos here, which is crazy to say. And on top of that, this is a good thing, I actually feel prettier with less makeup now. Like, I no longer feel the need to, you know, put on a full face of makeup to go out. Honestly, most days, I don't even wear eye makeup, not even mascara. Like, I prefer how my eyes look just naturally. It's just a really weird feeling when something like makeup that was such a huge part of my life for so many years and like fulfilled me in so many ways is no longer like my passion anymore, and it doesn't feel the same like it used to, which is totally fine because people grow, people change. I know that. But it also makes me feel like, okay, what the fuck am I doing then? So that is one reason why I haven't really been posting a lot of long form videos. But another reason is I've been going through a lot in my personal life. I have been going through a breakup with a very toxic, lying, cheating, narcissist monster of a person. And that's all I'm gonna say about that because, ooh, I could write a fucking book. I'm doing okay because I'm the one that ended it because I knew it was not right for me. So really my mental health has just been super shitty these past couple months. Honestly, a lot of 2026. The breakup happened like end of July. So that's kind of why I've been a little MIA from YouTube, but honestly, I've been very active on Instagram and TikTok. It's like on those two platforms, I feel more comfortable like really changing my content to like, you know, more fitness and lifestyle stuff. Whereas here on YouTube, you know, with such a large following I have and how I specifically built my channel with just like eyeshadow tutorials, it genuinely still feels very strange to post, you know, complete 180 type of content here. But that is what I'm trying to work on and kind of figure out. And really, I'm just trying to figure out what my life looks like again and what are the things that excite me, what are the things that I want to do. So clearly the gym is still a very, very big part of my life. I am at the gym pretty much every day. I'd say, I think I'm there like 5 days a week. I'm feeling strong. I feel just jacked some days, but like I feel good in my body. Kind of like how I said makeup used to be the thing that brings me joy. Like it really is the gym. And it's been the gym for a while. Like going to the gym is my favorite part of the day. It's been my favorite part of the day for probably a couple years now. It might sound crazy to some people, but like I genuinely look forward to it. I enjoy it so much. And like even this time right now, just like getting ready for the gym, like I'm just excited. And it's been really fun too, just going back to my workout routine and the stuff that I want to train and work on. So like since I've lost, you know, a bunch of weight, my body weight is lighter. So I've been working on body weight movements. So like my chin-ups, my push-ups and dips now. Like the gym just truly is my happy place. And that's why I'm trying to film more gym content too, because I want to film what excites me and the things that I want to post about. And I love the gym. I kind of forgot that I had this blush in my collection. It's the MAC Glow Play Blush in Blush Please. I think I saw this shade online and it was recommended as a good color for fair skin and it's pretty good. I'm not obsessed with it, but I'm trying to get some use out of it because I bought it couple months ago, I think. If you follow me on Instagram, it's just Angela Bright, by the way, you would know I've been working really hard on my modeling stuff too. I did get signed to an agency here in Portland, so that is super, super exciting. And I've just been having a lot of fun doing test shoots with different photographers, just like collaborating with new people. I find everyone through like Facebook groups or Instagram. A lot of it's really about connections and just like who you meet and who you know and just like talking and networking, and I'm loving it. I did just walk in a runway show, which was so much fun to be back on the runway. I loved it. It's been years since I've done it. I actually have another runway audition coming next week, I think, so that'll be super fun. I have a photo shoot lined up with a photographer that I'm very excited about. He reached out to me on Instagram. I definitely post a lot more of my modeling stuff on Instagram, on my stories. I've been trying to make reels of like behind the scenes because I think that is super fun. Ooh, I'm running low on this brow gel. I actually might need to buy more. It's the Rare Beauty one. This one is my favorite because it just gives a nice amount of fluff, but is not too crunchy and it doesn't leave any white flakes in my brows because some of them have been doing that recently and it's been bugging me. Ooh, but I am getting a lash lift and tint, I think later this week, which I'm so excited about. I haven't done one in a while. And like I said, I'm not really wearing a lot of eye makeup these days. So just having like that little bit darkness and a lift, I'm so excited for. Really all I've been doing for my makeup is just like having a good solid base that's like nice and glowy. I really haven't been liking like adding a lot of powder and stuff. Like I just want to look natural and to look like me. I've been back into this highlighter. It's the Natasha Denona Hygen one. It's kind of like slightly of a creamy formula, but I really like how this one just kind of sinks into the skin and that's why I use my finger with it. I just give my lashes a quick curl. I don't do anything else to my eyes though. I'll just kind of let that chill. It'll fall for sure, but that's fine. So yeah, life has been crazy recently and I'm really just trying to figure out, you know, what's my next move? What am I doing? What am I doing here? What am I doing with my life? I want some more blush. I can tell you though that I know that I definitely want more people, more community in my life, so I'm definitely gonna be working on that. Back working on my mental health, putting myself first. Your girl's back on Lexapro again, and there is a makeup look. Super duper simple. Like I said, this is a look that I pretty much do every day. I will list and link all the products down below for you and in the YouTube shopping, don't worry. For the gym fit, today is back day, which means I'm gonna go a little slutty. There's nothing I love more than a little sports bra that shows off my entire back on back day. Do I need to wax my armpits? Yes. But I don't care enough to do it today. I gotta be so real with you. Like I said, I'm feeling bloated and the sports bra just like feels kind of tight today and just like not comfortable, and you always want to be comfortable in the gym. Like that's more important than looking cute. So I might change. Honestly, I can't wait till it's fucking fall again and I can just wear sweatshirts and sweatpants every single day in the gym because that's all I want to wear. Okay, I think I got it. There we go. That is so much better, and this is exactly the reason why I buy tops like this a lot, just like little workout tank tops. Because genuinely, I love a sports bra, but there are days like today where I just want more coverage. I don't feel super great in my body, so let me wear a tank top, not a sports bra. This one is from Amazon. I think it's the CRZ Yoga brand, but it is super soft. I really like this color, and I love a little racer back moment for back day. Is 80 degrees too hot to be wearing sweatpants to the gym? I just kind of want to be cozy today and not be too concerned with like how I look. Okay, I think this will be fine. These ones are from Old Navy and they're actually pretty lightweight. Like they're not like a thick, heavy sweatpant, but I also really like their sweatpants because they come in different inseams. So I'm wearing a medium tall and you can't tell, but these are long enough for me. Yeah, I kind of like that. I just want to be comfy today, you know? People always say I spray too much. It's a body mist. It's pretty much gone by the time I get to the gym. I am off to the gym, toasty roasty in here. First things first though, we need to do a taste test of the Ruby Apple. I'm so excited. I genuinely like love apple flavored stuff. I'm like, how sick is this design? Oh, so good. It's a little slushy right now because I had it in the freezer. That is so good. I love that. I'm also going to be eating a little granola bar on the way to the gym too because like I just want a little bit of a snack. It's been about an hour and a half since I ate my first meal. So just something to hold me over for the next 2 hours of me at the gym. Guys, I just pulled up. It is so fucking busy right now. The parking lot is literally full. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film today, but I'm still excited to be here. But genuinely, I have been loving my back day so much. I've also been getting just like quite a few compliments on my body and my back at the gym. Specifically last back day, I had 2 women compliment my back and I was like, thank you so much. But I'm happy to be here. You know, I had 2 full days off. I've eaten a lot of junk food these last couple days, so I'm just gonna see how my energy is today and have a good workout. knew I was gonna have to work out today, and that was like a fantastic workout. I was definitely stronger today than I was last week when I did this workout, and I kind of expected that just because of all the carbs I've eaten in the last few days. I'm also around cycle day 15, which is around ovulation for me, and my strength usually does peak around this time too, so it was just a good workout. I felt so strong. I did some more reps and sets and just heavier weight than I normally do. And it really wasn't that busy. I don't know what happens, but it's like the parking lot is completely full, but it's just like all the old people I think are at the swimming pool or in some kind of class. So like the gym part was not that busy. So I had a great workout. Hi, my mommies. Oh my God, did you miss me so much? I thought about you the whole time I was gone. I thought about you the whole time while I was at the gym. I said, why can't my boogity bears be with me at the gym? This one is mine. This one's mine. Oh, she's cute. Are you ready for the parko? We should probably get ready for the parko. Let's go. But first, I need a protein shake. So Rue and I got back from the park, and then I had a 2-hour FaceTime call with my best friend, which was absolutely amazing. But it's 7:30 at night. I'm so hungry. I need to cook up some kind of dinner. And I'm going with some good old Annie's white cheddar mac and cheese, but I'm gonna work with this, okay? All right, we got the mac and cheese going. Stop panicking. I know you're like, Angela, why are you eating mac and cheese for dinner? Because I believe in balance. So the mac and cheese, carbs and fat, right? But also a little bit of protein, 9 grams of protein per serving. So I'm gonna pair my mac and cheese with some good old Trader Joe's frozen staples. I'm gonna do these turkey meatballs. I'm gonna have 4 of them, which will give me 24 grams of protein, 10 carbs, and 10 grams of fat. And then I know I need some kind of veggie for some micronutrients, so I'm gonna do these green beans. And there is my dinner. I am not mad at this at all. It was either this or the same ground turkey sweet potato bowl I've been eating for months now. And of course, a mini Coke on the side. I have one of these a day. I love Coke. For my nightly show, I've been watching Let's Marry Harry on Netflix. I originally put it on as just like a little background show, and then I got sucked into it, and I'm addicted to the drama and the tea. I like Harry. I think he's hilarious. I'm gonna watch my show, eat my dinner. I have a confession. My apartment is still a mess, and I'm eating the rest of the mac and cheese. You know, I didn't expect the day to be perfect, but I had a fantastic workout, got Rue to the park, got to talk to my best friend, filmed a long-form YouTube video. Now I just got to work on not getting in my head about every single thing that I post. But it does feel good to be back in the swing of things and just kind of my normal routine after vacation. And we'll just ease back into it. Probably tomorrow I won't eat an entire box of mac and cheese. And that's going to wrap this up. So I will see you guys in the next one.